If you have an expertise, experience, or story, or something that you can teach, you can share, you can transfer, do you know that it has value? Do you know that people are willing to pay you money and listen to you and learn from you for something that you know, something that you master? Do you know that information, knowledge, skill, you can actually market and earn some money? In Train the Trainer program, we teach you how to develop your training program, how to brand yourself, how to position yourself, how to sell your training program, how to market your products. And these are important things that you learn, because when you come to the Train the Trainer, you're gonna learn everything that you need to learn so that you can go out into the market and be seen as the expert of your industry. So you may be coming from different industry. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you're a retrenched person, a retired person, ex-lecturer, ex-teacher, or even a boss of a company. If you come to the Train the Trainer workshop, and you're gonna learn that actually everybody who have some 10 years of working experience, they can become a trainer. And when you become a trainer, you can help a lot of people in your industry because you are the expert in the subject matter. But in this Train the Trainer workshop, we help you identify a few things that will enable you to become a certified trainer. Do you want to know how? If yes, I'd like to invite you to our mini workshop, How to Become a Trainer.